Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So today we having the Grinch on this video. So we already sketched out our design. If you don't know how I sketched out my design, I'll link all my videos. I have a long video and a short video. I'll link them down below in my description box. Don't worry. So today I'm having only one character. um sorry, excuse me. I'm only having the Grinch and there's a tutorial. Just bear with me. I'm not feeling well at all, so I just decided to draw this one character and then just to make the Sunday video go, just to make a Sunday video. I'm doing this video and then it's Saturday and I must upload this video tomorrow. I don't know if I will make it premiere or what, but I don't know. I will see. But Sunday 10 a.m. the video is gonna go live, so just bear with me. I'm not feeling well. I don't know, like my throat is excuse me, my throat is on fire and I feel it's flu, so yeah, just watch this video from start to finish and then comment down below and tell me how you feel, how you see it, where I should change and stuff like that, so yeah. So for the face, I decided to go with this green. It's dark, so I added a bit of white just to make it look lighter. Sorry. So yeah, for the face, I'm applying this green, and the head is red and white, and the top as well is red and white. So there was no lot of color blocking there. Is only like, it was easy to do. It was very quick to do as well. For outlining, I'm using this black liner gel from Planet Nails, and the liner brush are also from Planet Nails, and the gel polishes are the Blingle brand. Sorry. So for the liner brush, I love to use this liner brush because they are very thin and then I have control of them. I can draw anything I want to draw with them. If you love thin liner brush, just go to Planet Nails and purchase this because they work wonders. They work very well for me. But if you sorry, you love the thick one, this one are not for you. But if you love thin one, these are for you. So yeah. And we are done outlining, so now we're just putting in the detailing on the inside, like those small white lines, and then we're gonna put the shading as well. Sorry, for our shading we mixed black gel and base coat to make the shading color. Now we're just gonna top coat it and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button that is looking like this, and we'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.